me that was like, yes, somebody who will face the truth and the real stuff instead of put this, perfect picture over all of it.
Pretty life-changing.
Then it was like my hand took over and I lost track, and that was the point where I went, oh yeah, this is it.
It was beautiful. It was amazing. It is beautiful and amazing. And I couldn't more highly recommend this course.
I mean, I got so much out of that one session. I mean, it was incredible. So raw. I felt like I belong here.
Because the way that you have to understand compassion and grace and energy and the raw destructive power of our souls in both their beauty and their ugliness, and honoring all of that, I knew that I had to take this class with you.
But you hold an incredible space.
Making connections and watching other people go through this same process alongside of me, and watching their growth, and watching just the whole community was amazing.
It was brilliant. The group was brilliant, I just have to say.
Everyone struggles with being seen in their true self. And I think that was what was so incredibly different here, was that you held that space.
Your process will change. How you look at art will change.
I think the biggest takeaway from Raw is that I can just be me on the page.
Raw taught me that I'm a conduit for the art. The art has its own agency, and that I need not control it too much to bring it out onto the pages, and that the pages are a place of healing for me.
This process, these morning pages, the way you showed me how to do them, I can now meet myself on the pages wherever I'm at. She will guide you through this process to find your own path and your own art and your own way of communicating with your own soul.
You're actually quite remarkable to me. You are someone who gives wonderful insight, wonderful guidance, teaching me to look at art in a totally different way than I'd ever looked at it before. The techniques that you taught were something that I hadn't explored before. Strange that an art course of 4 to 5 weeks can be that life altering, but in truth, for me, it really, really was.
And you've given so much in terms of content and methods and ways to do the thing.
If you take Raw, you will uncover truths within yourself that you never knew existed within yourself. They'll come forward, you'll encounter blockages, and you will push past them, and you will let them be, and it will be amazing.
It'll get you thinking in a different way about your creativity and what that really means, and what it means to be an artist.
Through Raw and through the process and through the community and through your guidance, I found me again.
It was priceless.
In a minute, I would take any course with you.
And I can own just every mark. I mean, it's really transformed. It's transformed my life. It really has. So
it's worth every penny. It is worth every penny. So just do it. Just do it.